Hello friends, let's learn something new about corporate tax today, which is tax groups.
The concept of forming a tax group in UAE is well known. It is already existing in UAE VAT, but it will be also there in UAE corporate tax.
The concept of tax group is a great relief for multinational enterprise who are operating with a number of entities within UAE. Now let's understand what is a tax group.
Two or more taxable persons who meet certain conditions can apply to form a tax group and will be treated as a single taxable person for corporate tax purposes. Why should company form a tax group?
There are many benefits of forming a tax group, such as single tax registration and single tax return filing for the entire group.
Offsetting the income and losses of the member against each other.
Tax neutral transfer of assets and liabilities and certain other transactions within the tax group subject to certain conditions. What are the conditions to be fulfilled to become a tax group?
First condition, all the members should be UAE resident and all the members should be juridical person.
Parents' ownership, entitlement and voting rights is at least 95% in a subsidiary, either directly or indirectly.
No member should be exempt person.
Neither member is a qualifying free zone person.
All the members in the tax group should use same accounting standards and same financial year.
But please note that all these conditions must be met continuously throughout the relevant tax period to form a tax group, subject to some exceptions in case of parents' replacement.
Now let's learn other key aspects which are mentioned in forming a tax group. First one, tax group not at all mandatory, only an optional regime.
There is no limit to the number of members in a tax group. However, a juridical person can be a member of only one tax group at a given point of time.
There is no requirement to have any connections in the business activity of the members.
The threshold of AED 375,000 will be applicable to the tax group as a single taxpayer, irrespective of the number of entities in the group.
The application to the FTA should be made before the end of relevant tax period.
So, are you ready to apply the benefits of tax group in your business?
Then who is stopping you to form a tax group? If you like this video,
Then give a thumbs up.
stay tuned.